Ang susunod na istasyon ay Blumentritt Station. Next station, Blumentritt Station. Paalala sa mga pasahero, ugaliing humawak sa mga safety handrails. Reminding all passengers, always hold on to the safety handrails. Ingatan po natin ang ating mga personal na gamit gaya ng bag, cellphone, wallet at maging ang stored value card o single journey ticket na gagamitin sa paglabas ng mga istasyon o terminal ng tren. Please secure your personal belongings such as bag, cellphone, or wallet, as well as the stored value card or single journey ticket that you will be using to exit from the stations or terminals. Paparating na sa Blumentritt Station. Approaching Blumentritt Station. Blumentritt Station. Blumentritt Station. Ang susunod na istasyon ay Tayuman Station. Next station, Tayuman Station. Paparating na sa Tayuman Station. Approaching Tayuman Station. Tayuman Station. Tayuman Station. Ang susunod na istasyon ay Bambang Station. Next station, Bambang Station. Paparating na sa Bambang Station. Approaching Bambang Station. Bambang Station. Bambang Station.
Sige, dati yung set na lang kita.
Isang baba.
Bambang. How many stations pa? Bambang, after Bambang. What's next?
Ayo, Jose Station.
What's next?
Sayada Station.
Ang susunod na istasyon ay Doroteo Jose Station. Next station, Doroteo Jose Station.
After Carriedo.
Nation Station.
After
Doroteo Jose Station.
After Quirino.
Approaching Doroteo Jose Station.
After Quirino.
Vito Cruz.
After Vito Cruz.
Doroteo Jose Station.
After
Doroteo Jose Station.
After Vito Cruz.
Hill Puyat Station.
After him. After him, Kuya.
Libertad.
Libertad. After Libertad.
Ang susunod na istasyon ay Carriedo Station. Next station, Carriedo Station.